Hi, welcome to the Building an Application from Scratch with the Java EE 7, Java 8 and Wildfly 8 course. My name is Luciano Davog Molinari. I am a Java developer and architect with over 8 years of experience, having worked in a variety of projects and industries. So let me give you a course overview about the topics that will be covered during this training. So before starting the real training, you have the opportunity to watch some videos to provide you some background in the technologies that will be used in our project, if you wish to get some knowledge about these technologies. However, as soon as we start the real training, everything will be based on a real project that you build together from scratch. This project is a simplified version of a library, and you'll know more details about it in the upcoming videos. Hands-on from beginning to end. So, as I have just mentioned, the training will be 100% hands-on. You really have the opportunity to build a real project from scratch. Complete Java ecosystem. As you may know, Java is a gigantic platform, and it's pretty much impossible to cover everything in a single course. However, we'll cover a good part of it, touching the main points when it comes to develop enterprise applications. And besides learning a lot of Java, this training will also focus on best practices of development, such as refactoring, TDD or test-driven development, and more. So what am I going to learn during this training? So you learn how to use Java 8 and Java EE in a real project. Some of JEE technologies that will be covered in this course are EJB, JPA, JMS, CDI, among others, such as beam validations and JAX-RS. In the upcoming videos, more details will be provided around this. You also learn how to write effective unit and integration tests, as this practice is essential and currently is adopted and required by most of the companies and projects. REST services. Some years ago, most of the web services were written using SOAP. However, in the last years, REST has really become the most used technology for this purpose in the industry. Of course, as any other technology, this is not a silver bullet, but it's the most adopted technology, without a doubt. So that's why it is so important to learn REST. And the most important part, how to put all of this together in a real project. It's pretty easy to find a lot of tutorials about these technologies in the web, but it's really hard to find something covering how to put everything to work together, covering real requirements that go really beyond the hello world example. So that's a basic overview of this training. In the next videos, we'll see more details about the requirements of the system we'll build, technologies used, architecture, and methodologies. So see you in the next videos.